Your timing cover just came all the way off. That's your prime. That's your problem. And that's definitely going to need to be replaced with that. Timing belt. Probably need a phaser. This is called, this wheel right here, it looks like it came off. That's the grinding noise we're hearing. Do not start this car again. It'll make it worse. Probably fixable, but we got to remove that just to see with damage. But it looks like it's coming completely off. That's your